Good morning. I wanted to show you guys this new Weekender pack that we have. Our CEO just sent me one along with some salted caramel Shakeology that's coming out in June, at the end of June. But these are our new packages and you can get this kit. I kind of think this is more like the favorites kit because everything in here are things that I use every day. They're like my top favorite products. Minus the Shakeology. And so I wanted to show you what's in them. As coaches, I believe they are $19.99 if you have a coach discount. And if you don't, I believe they're $25. And so let me show you everything that comes in here. So you get 2 packets of Recover, chocolate Recover. And if you don't know what Recover is, it is a post-workout. It has BCAAs that help deliver the protein to your muscles that you need after your muscles break down. It's that fast delivery of protein to your muscles so it can build back up. And it also delays the muscle soreness. So not delays, reduces the muscle soreness. You also get 2 packets of Energize, 1 of lemon, 1 of fruit punch. That's our pre-workout. I talk about this all the time, but it is made with green tea caffeine, green tea extract, which is the caffeine source. And it basically helps you push further for longer and hence getting you better results, right? If you can do 20 push-ups instead of 10, you're gonna have better guns. Hydrate. Hydrate is what I mix with my Energize, and this is actually right here. This is an intra-workout. So this is basically electrolytes, but it's clean. It's like clean Gatorade without all the crap fake sugar. And you need electrolytes. And then 3 beach bars, all flavors. So you have your chocolate peanut butter, chocolate cherry almond, and the vegan one, which is the almond crunch. All here so that you can try them before you buy them.